Today we're talking Flotiq, the API-first content management platform that makes managing, sharing, and reusing content faster than ever. Ready to take the leap? First, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss Appsumo's other incredible software deals. All right, buckle up. Flotiq's an API-first content management platform that works with any technology. It's built to help developers and content managers create a content flow across platforms and organizations. Through their easy-to-use templates, you can create projects faster and make your own custom content model that organizes and optimizes everything you publish. So when you need to make big changes to your website, all that content sticks with you, just like your most embarrassing memories from high school. But that's far from the sweetest thing. Because after you create a custom content model, Flotiq will build a unique content management API. If you've been paying attention, then it's no surprise that this is our golden taco, aka Flotiq's most delicious, impressive software feature. This API is designed to make building a blog, portfolio, or video platform super easy. How? By providing you with the documentation and tools you need to reuse your content, and to save time for everybody else using it. Just like their content model templates, their library of API starters and boilerplates is full of carefully crafted presets that you can use for free. They've even built a mobile app template for iOS and Android that you can repurpose for whatever project you need. They're the MacGyvers of the API world. And however you plan to use your custom API, Flotiq's autocomplete feature and documentation will help you and your colleagues get your work done faster than ever. But this video barely scratches the surface of everything Flotiq has to offer. So if you want to learn more, just click the link below now.